All right. So as you can see, we finally have everything all plugged in and wired. And again, with all the buildings positioned, again, as we kind of do the accessories and I do light posts. And, you know, over here, I'll do like some spotlights. And actually, we'll probably do some spotlights up here too, because some of these skyscrapers or this set is coming out not as bright as I want to, so I could add some additional lights up here as well. But I think for the next step, now that things are wired, is, you know, I'm gonna kind of clean up this extra, you know, overage piece here. I'll get all this trimmed up. I'll clean this up a little bit as well. For these middle sections, it was suggested that I kind of put like a little black fabric piece under here. I'll try to find where what I did with my hot glue sticks, the fabric hot glue sticks. So they worked really well last year, but I'll probably try to like pin some black fabric up here and just drape it back there, so you won't see any of the cords or the walls beneath. Kind of what I mentioned before is I'll use some of these stone patterns and kind of probably use this to cover up, you know, the post here. So you won't see those, you know, and they'll kind of like go right here behind that. Maybe with a black, you know, fabric piece there. There will also be some of this, you know, right here. So, you know, I'll kind of work between this step and the next one. I'll kind of work on those. And then I'll also have the tree line border down here as well when I put this, before I put the skirt down. So I think as far as the next step is, I'm going to make sure I can get the train operational and make sure that it goes around without, you know, any problems there. Get these edges cleaned up. And then I still have the backdrop from last year. There'll be a video link if you're interested in how I made that. But I'll kind of like workshop that to see how that works on the top. And then we'll just kind of start filling in with accessories and, you know, lamp posts, which are really going to make it very detailed. And then before you start filling in with all the people and stuff. So more to come.